Is your garage door painfully slow to open or close? This could signal a problem with the opener or other mechanical issues that need prompt attention. Don't let a sluggish door slow down your day in the Primbee area. Call 0409774111 now and let our team of qualified professionals quickly diagnose and repair your garage door. We ensure fast, reliable service that gets your garage door back to peak performance. Reach out today. Help is just a phone call away for residents in Primbee looking for swift and efficient garage door solutions.